Hello, everyone. I'm pleased to introduce myself. My name is Vanj. I work as an online English teacher. I've been working with diverse learners of all levels for 15 wonderful years. I've earned a bachelor's degree in education, major in English. I also have international certificates such as TESOL and TKT. Now, let me talk about my interest. First of all, I like eating very much. I used to eat out with my friends every weekend. This is also my way to distress. I also like listening to music. Other than food and music, I am enthusiastic about crime documentaries. I find it fascinating and weird at the same time. I believe that my greatest strength is the ability to solve problems patiently and efficiently. I am flexible, hardworking, friendly, and easy to deal with. I'm looking forward speaking with you. Thank you.